Hey everyone, welcome back. So guys, in our previous session, we have discussed about index match. In our today's session, we will be discussing about how Xlookup works. So if you're using any version older than 2019 and 2019 itself, you won't be having this formula with you. In that case, you can use index match or you can use vertical lookup as well. Those who are using versions above 2019, let's say 2021, 2023, they can use Xlookup. How to use Xlookup is very simple. You do not have to use index match together. That means it's not complicated. It's not as complicated as vertical lookup where you have to take care of the place from where your table is going to start. You do not have to take care of the column number, or you do not have to take care about left to right thing or right to left thing as well. So here in Xlookup, we just need to write equal to Xlookup. And what's our lookup value? This employee ID is our lookup value. Where will I find it? I will find it over here. And with the help of this, what do I want to return? I want to return, let's say, the salary of this person. Now let's close it and let's press enter, and here we have the salary, that is 1,63,099. It was that simple. Now with the help of the salary, let's say I want to find the name of the person. For that, I will be writing Xlookup. This is my lookup value. Where will I find this lookup value? In the salary section. And what do I need to find out? I need to find out the name of that person. So if I close this, press enter, it tells me the name of the person is Luna Sanders. So isn't that easy that with the help of Xlookup function, easily we can find the values. Doesn't matter if it lies on the left hand side or on the right hand side, but this is the limitation, or this is, let's say, a rule for all of them, that whether it's Xlookup, vertical lookup or index match also, you need to find it on the basis of a unique value. Okay, make sure you're using a unique value. If you're not using a unique value, if your data has duplicate values, it will only find the first occurrence of that value for you. Moving ahead, let's try to use nested Xlookup. So again, if I have to write this employee ID, so let's find a solution for this. We'll go to data, we'll put a data validation on this, and I'll make it a list. This list would be nothing. Let's choose the source. The source would be, will be the employee ID, and this will be the employee ID. Now if I click on it, if I choose any of the employee ID, it would give me the details of that person. Similarly, okay, let's put an Xlookup on this. Let's see if it is working or not. So Xlookup, this is my lookup function. I want to return this. Where do I find it? I find it here. I want to return the name of the person. So as soon as I press enter, it works. If I change the value as well, so if in the list, if I choose anything, let's say 4239, that is Joshua Gupta. 4239 is Joshua Gupta. Okay, 1639 is also Joshua Gupta, but that is a different guy. Okay, now let's talk about nested Xlookup. How amazing that would be, that if I write any of the employee ID, and if I want to find name, age, gender, salary, whatever I want to find, I can find that too by using just one formula. Okay, for that, what I'll do is, this should also be our list, and again I'll use another data validation over here, which would be a list. But list of what? Let's provide the source. So this is our list. Okay, let's click on OK, and here again we will have a list. Let's say I want to find the age of that person. Alright, now let's use Xlookup. That Xlookup, our lookup value is this. This is our lookup value. Where will I find it? I will find the employee ID over here. Okay, return. I do not have to return the value as of now. Now I want to find the age of that person, or whatever column name is given in this particular cell. So I'll use the Xlookup once again. Again, what do I want to find? I want to find whatever is there in this cell. Where will I find it? Name, age, gender and salary. Here I will find it. Okay, comma, what is my return array? The whole data is my return array. So just select the whole data, close it, close the other bracket as well, press enter, and you'll see the age of this person, 4239. Where are you? 4239. So 4239 is this person whose age is 29. Let's change the employee ID. Let's take something, okay, 3838. So 3838 is Savannah Ali, okay, who is 34. Let's see what's her salary is. If I go to salary, it would show me the salary as well, and I guess in the list by mistake I have chosen employee ID as well, so you can remove the employee ID. Let's go for name. If I write the name, I find the name as well. But if I choose employee ID, it won't give me the employee ID. So we shouldn't have put the employee ID over here. So you can just change the restrictions once again and just go to data validation. I'll just change the source for this one, that this would be this, not employee ID included. Okay. And now if I change it to age, it would give me the age. If I change it to gender, it would give me the gender of that person. If I change the employee ID, it would give me the male, and age would be 28, and whose age is 28, it's Savannah Ali. Okay. So I hope that how Xlookup works is clear to you. It's very simple, but it's not available in 2019 or the below versions. It's only available for 2021 and the above versions. I hope this is clear to you. In our next session, we will be starting a complete new module where we will be discussing how, with the help of Power Query Editor, we can clean our data in Excel. So now we will be working on analytics that we can perform with Excel, how we can clean data, how we can pre-process our data. We'll be discussing all of that in our next session. So stay connected, guys, and I'll see you in the next session.